All right, so this is how my project turned out. I'm really happy with how it turned out. As you can see from the before picture, house was just really gray and washed out looking, so I wanted to update it. Painted the white posts to match the garage, and then started on the pillar wrap from GenStone. We went with the vanilla bean. My project was probably a little more involved than the average project because the posts went right to the edge of my porch, so I had to build these white bases for it. But once I had that done, the posts went up pretty nice and easy. My posts are 5.5 inches, and this product is made to go around an 8-inch post, so I had to put some furring strips. I found some decking that I screwed to the post to get it to the appropriate diameter. Once I had that done, everything, if you follow the directions, it goes up really smooth. I found some deck screws that were the same color. You can see them if I really zoom in, but other than that, it blends in really nicely. So yeah, very happy with how things turned out. I would recommend GenStone to anybody. I've been getting a lot of compliments, and yeah, go GenStone.